A repeater makes it easy to create repeating elements. There are two ways to create a repeater. One way is by using existing elements. Let's create a card. Right-click and select Create Repeater. You'll see the card turn into 3 items with a light yellow overlay representing its element section. Below that is a floating table, which is the data section. The second way to create a repeater is through the repeater table and repeater card. Drag a repeater table and repeater card onto the canvas. The repeater data table has 3 rows and 3 columns, corresponding to the table in the repeater's element section. Double-click to enter the element section of the repeater, where there are 3 rectangles. Label them 1, 2, and 3, and you'll see the table headers in the data section also change to 1, 2, and 3. Select the repeater card, click the plus sign at the bottom of the data table to add a new row. Right-click a table cell, import an image, and enter text. You'll see the card now displays an additional row. Enter the repeater's element section. Add a new rectangle labeled Box. And add a new column to the data table. Link the rectangle to the new column and enter 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the data table. You'll see the rectangle in the card update to match the values. Add a few more pages and titles. Right-click the last cell in the table, select Reference Page, and link to each corresponding page. The rectangle updates to show the page name. Add 2 more rows in the table, import images, and add data. In the Style pane, check Wrap Grid to arrange items in a grid with 5 items per row. Selecting Horizontal arranges items in a horizontal layout. Set Items per page to 3 and change the layout to vertical. Can also adjust row and column spacing as well as padding values. Change the background color to blue and item fill to green. Select Paginate and set the items per page to enable pagination. Deselect pagination and set items per column to 3. Add a border to the repeater. Add an interaction to the rectangle to Open Link. Select Link to External. Check the FX button to open the function settings window. In the top function expression field, select Insert Variable or Function. Choose item.column1, and this will open the link in that repeater column. Preview the prototype. When you click the rectangle on the right side of a card, the page navigates to the corresponding linked page.